Hi everyone. As we started Java logical series, today we are going to see star pattern with right angle triangle in increasing order. For that, let me create one class. Let me create main method. Then tn is equal to 3 for int I is equal to 0, I less than or equal to n, then I plus plus. Then for a int j equal to 0, j less than or equal to I, then j plus plus, then system dot out dot let's run it. Yes, this is a right angle triangle pattern by increasing order. Then let's try run it. First we are declaring int n is equal to 3, and first for loop is for row. Any means parent for loop is for row numbers, means is printing the row number of rows, and this child for loop is for the printing the number of columns, means this row, then second row, then third row, then fourth row, and then here is the first column, this is the first column, this is the second, this is third, this is the fourth. For that we are using child for loop, and for row we are using parent for loop. Then is if we are declaring I is equal to 0, then checking the condition is true, then come inside that for loop, then it's declaring j is equal to 0, and condition is j is less than or equal to 0. Then here we can check in the condition is true, then come inside the loop, then you print the one star. Then after that it's come again. No, it's not equal, it's less than. It's incremented by 1, 0 to 1. Then checking the condition 1 is greater than or equal to I. No, its condition is false. Then comes inside the child for loop, and one printing after one star. For that, come to the next line. For that purpose, we are using next println. It comes to the next line. Then again comes inside the parent. It comes in the parent loop. Then it's incremented by 1. Then here we are condition checking the condition. Condition is true. Then come inside the for loop. Then checking j is equal to 0. Its condition is true. Is less than I or less than 1. It's printing another in another line. Okay, let me put here 1. Okay, here first we are printing one star, then again come inside their loop. Next comes inside the next line, then is conditional true inside the loop. then print another star, then it's incremented by 1, then 1 is greater than or equal to 1, its condition also true, then printing another star, then also is incremented by 1, it's 2, checking the condition 2 is greater than or equal to I, its condition is false, its to loop is terminated, it's printed the 2 star, then comes outside the loop, and this statement is used for move further in the next line or next loop. That is the use of that system dot out dot println. Then it's incremented by also 1, then it's 2, checking the condition 2 is greater than or equal to 3, this condition is true, then come inside the child loop, then here we are declaring j is equal to 0, then checking the condition j is less than or equal to 2, its condition is true, then come inside that loop is print again, it's printing here 1 star, then again it's incremented by 1, here is 1 is greater than or equal less than or equal to I, this condition is true, then again it's printing 1 star, then it comes in again incremented by 1, it comes to the 2, checking the condition 2 is less than or equal to I, its condition is true, then it's printing again 1 star, then it's again incremented by 1, it's 3, checking the condition 3 is greater than or equal to 2, its condition is false, it comes in outside that loop, and print after printing that for moving next line we are use that statement, then again comes to the parent loop, which incremented by 1 is 3, then checking the condition 3 is equal greater than less than or equal to n or 3, this condition is true, then come inside for loop child loop, then here we are declaring 0, it's again running up to 3, then it's printed 3 star, then it's incremented by 1, it's terminated the loops, then comes outside after printing that loop, then for moving next line we are printing after moving the next line we are using the statement, then again is incremented by 1, it's comes to the 4, it's checking the condition 4 is less than or equal to n, its loop is terminated, then we get the output. That's like output, that's it. Please guys like